Hi there guys and girls, good evening to each and one of you. How are you all doing? I'm here in Gateway Cinema 2 but wasn't able to watch a movie. Time didn't permit me because I ate my snacks and then I have something that I did. No, actually I wait for my other client in Farmers. So anyway guys and girls, just wanna greet you a good evening to every one of you. Wanna check this other version of Wicked. I supposed to watch this one of my bet to watch for tonight. The second one is Hello Love Again. The third one I'm planning to watch again Smile 2, and the fourth I'm planning again to watch The Substance and what's this Santa movie? I forgot the. Hold on. There's no. No. There's no one in here. I forgot the movie. The Santa movie. Okay. Anyway. Anyway, I'm gonna try tomorrow. That's what I'm gonna say. By the way, thank you to each every one of you for watching, especially my first viewers. And thank you, Lord, for all the blessings that you gave, for all the trials and challenges that I surpassed. Shout out to my mother in Bicol, Abordo. Special mention, Monette Pacheco. And to all my Facebook viewers, to all my new followers, to all my subscribers out there. Hi. To all my silent subscribers. Wait. And to all my 13 lovely countries who've been supporting my channel as always. You know what? I forgot the other one. They left us for a while, but Germany came back again. They are Philippines, United States, Indonesia, Japan, Canada, India, Myanmar, United Kingdom, and on the 8th, Saudi Arabia, Malaysia on the 10th, United Arab of Emirates on the 11th, Italy on the 12th, and the last but not the least, the one that I'm telling you, Germany. Hold on. Wanna check this one? I hope you guys, even though you are busy in your life or whatever you are doing, you should sometimes relax, take a walk, and enjoy life, okay? Guys, I'm so sorry because I don't have anything that comes in my mind right now. Anyway, take good care as always, and I hope you have some great night, okay? Thank you. So I'm gonna go down again to upload for this video, okay? Once again, I just wanna thank you, okay? Yes. You know what, guys and girls? My total views for all the videos that I've got, combination of shorts and videos, are now road to 1 million views. Thank you. But it's not yet our. Oh my gosh, I forgot somebody. Hold on. They're going down. But for now, I think I already have closer to 900,000 views, total views. But for now, guys and girls, thank you.